My name's Shannon, I'm 44. I'm so excited for this product because after years of having sensitive teeth while whitening, this is a major breakthrough. Halo had a wonderful impact on my smile. It was a very noticeable difference in seconds. If I would compare HaloSmile to anything, I would compare it to painting my nails. It was extremely easy. You get the effects immediately and see a wonderful difference right away. I would absolutely recommend HaloSmile to anyone, especially those of us who have sensitive teeth like me. And I'm so excited for it and I want to do it again. Go get it right now.